How can you build confidence in children with ADHD or dyslexia? So many students who struggle academically or struggle in school have low self esteem. They might see their peers thriving in school while they're constantly struggling. Maybe they have a friend who's reading chapter books when they can only read simple sentences, or other friends who easily get straight A's while they have to exert so much effort to even get a B or a C. Many students start to feel that they're not smart or they're not capable and really struggle with their confidence. So, what can you do to help build your child's self-confidence when they struggle academically? Number one is get them the right support. This could be support in school or support out of school. Students with dyslexia, for instance, thrive with the Orton-Gillingham technique. This is a particular technique that's research-based, multisensory, structured, and designed to help students develop their decoding and encoding skills, or reading and spelling skills, which are skills that students who have dyslexia often really struggle with. This is a method that can help not only students who have a diagnosis of dyslexia, but any child who struggles with reading and who has low self-esteem, particularly related to reading. What's wonderful about this method is that first off, it's multisensory, meaning rather than just working out of a workbook or listening to a teacher, we engage multiple senses simultaneously: the visual, the auditory, and the tactile kinesthetic modalities. This might mean integrating tools like colored sand, magnetic tiles, shaving cream, mini whiteboards, lots of multisensory tools as part of a structured approach to learning how to read. It's also very systematic. It spirals back and integrates previously taught concepts as new ones are introduced. It follows a scope and sequence, and it's diagnostic and prescriptive, meaning it's truly individualized to the specific needs and levels of each student. It's really a wonderful way to build a child's reading and spelling skills and build their confidence at the same time. Students who have ADHD often struggle with their executive functioning skills. This involves skills like planning, organization, time management, task initiation, skills that become increasingly important as students progress through school. If you find the right executive functioning coach for them, it really can make an immense difference in building their executive functioning skills, improving their performance at school, and in turn, strengthening their self-confidence. An executive functioning coach can teach them strategies for improving their time management, for managing their schedule, for organizing their homework, for setting up general organizational systems, all of these skills that can affect pretty much all aspects of school. Another way to strengthen your child's self-confidence when they have ADHD, dyslexia, or any other type of learning challenge is to show them any progress that you see. You don't want to just give them an empty compliment, but if you notice, for instance, that 6 months ago, your child could only write one sentence, and now they're able to write a full paragraph, show them their work. Show them what they did 6 months ago compared to what they're doing now, and empower them. Tell them how wonderful it is, how capable they are, and how much progress they've made. When they see concrete progress, it often really builds their confidence and it makes them feel like they're truly capable of excelling. Another great way to build a child's self-confidence is to focus on their strengths. A lot of kids who struggle in school and who have learning challenges deal with constant negativity. They feel like they can't do anything right, that they're constantly getting poor grades and struggling in school. But at the same time, many of them have incredible strengths. They might be great artists. They might be great at drama and theater. They might be great at sports. So while you're working on their areas of struggle, play up their areas of strength. Encourage them to take classes in art, in drama, to do sports. Whatever they feel good about and they feel that they can excel at is an important area to really play up. Another thing to keep in mind when we're trying to build students' confidence is that you don't want to really compare them. I think it's natural for parents to compare one child to their other child and what their milestones were like. But every child is different, especially children who struggle with focus, with academic skills. They have their own unique profile of their own strengths and weaknesses. So focus on them, focus on empowering them, on using positive language as much as you can and not negative language. The more we can build a child's self-confidence and self-esteem, the more likely they'll be receptive to instruction to build their areas of weakness and ultimately to excel in school.